Dang.
Man.
Dude, that's
not even
perfect.
the same truck?
That's perfect.
Dude, is that even the same truck?
Dude, that's perfect. Oh my gosh.
Damn, dude, she's thick.
Look at it. Look how wide it is.
Wow.
Dang, you see that?
Dude, the color match and everything just makes that truck pop now.
Holy moly. What would you say?
Dude, she is thick.
Stance, huh?
Dang.
That's why I'm gonna need you to be careful, okay?
Yeah, dang, dude.
All right.
I'm gonna tell you now, you couldn't drive down my dirt road with this.
No.
This truck will be brown by the
But
end of the
let's
day.
head home. I will show you guys in 3, 2, 1. All right, so you just drove it 15 minutes from the shop to my house. What's
Okay.
your first initial response?
Night and day, 100%, much better. Suspension is a night and day difference. This truck rode like crap before, man.
I told that's what it.
Man, this truck rides like it almost rides better than my truck, to be honest with you. I don't know if I guess it's better suspension parts, but man, this thing rides sick. I know that it's gonna ride a little bit like rougher because of its 14 wides, but like going over bumps, you can feel them, but it just, the words can't describe it, man. It's just like, whew.
Yeah, I guess it's polished. Do you like how wide it is?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yeah.
Today we're gonna let my girlfriend drive my truck after getting brand new wheels, tires, and lift put on. Let's see how well she does it. Just to let you know, the truck is a lot wider. If you look from here, yeah, it's pretty ridiculous. So please be careful, babe.
Don't worry.
All right, let's go.
Just to let you know,
What?
I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
I am nervous.
Oh, no pressure. Just brand new wheels and tires.
How about you shut up with that?
It does ride a lot better. There you go.
I know how to start everything.
Well, then move the seat forward.
It won't move.
It's moving.
I can't get it up further.
It won't go up further?
No.
Shoot. It's a sign.
I'll just scooch up.
No. Yeah, everything's adjusted, so ready to roll. Let's go. You're incredibly nervous? Why?
Because you make things sound so scary.
I don't.
Babe, I want you to know that it's like really wide. Like,
Okay.
no, like really wide.
Do you prefer me not to tell you? Oh, it rubs a little bit. At full lock. I gotta trim the bumper.
You should have told me that first.
I don't know, I forgot. Look at you smiling.
So look, we're gonna be fine.
Yeah, we are gonna be fine.
Great.
You know how to drive my truck.
I know how to drive in general.
True. And it handles better, so.
Perks of growing up in the north.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I can drive like a normal person. No hate to the southerners.
Alright, this bump down here with all the patches, that's gonna be the true testimony of how much better the truck rides. Right there, that bump,
Oh my god.
that bump, and this whole patch. It still sucks, but not as bad as before.
I felt like you're knocking your teeth out before.
But now it's just like a regular bump. You still don't like that? Alright, redhead gearbox. You heard what my girlfriend said.
Sucks.
We're gonna have to fix that, so we are gonna upgrade with the redhead gearbox and new idle arm pitman arm from Kryptonite, as well as new hubs, because it's got stock hubs. And if you look, truck is extremely wide. Yeah, so we're gonna need hubs pretty soon, just for the sake of having brand new hubs and Kryptonite HD hubs. But the play is not as bad as it used to be. Or is it the same?
It feels the same.
It feels the same? Okay.
I always have to feel like I have to go like this.
Yeah.
And we're not even
But not, it's not as bad anymore. It feels the same. I thought it was a little better. But she said it. I think she's probably driven this truck more than me though.
That's true.
Yeah. She took it to school with her, and you had it for like 3 weeks because your car was totaled.
I think it was
So,
already 3 weeks.
yeah. They used it and abused it. Used it for yard work,
Oh, yeah.
hauling furniture. Oh, they for sure used this truck as a truck. But it rides better though.
It does. Going up to 96 and this sucked.
Oh yeah?
All the back roads.
You're doing good, babe. You're doing really good.
I know.
No pressure.
This is for the highway, right?
Yeah, so keep going straight. We're almost at Costco. She's doing a killer job.
I know.
Good job.
Thank you. Your brakes still suck though.
Yeah, but that's actually better than... There was another one at the shop that I drove around to take pictures and stuff. My brakes handle 25% better than that one. And
25%?
yeah, 25% better than the other one.
That's such a like precise number.
It is.
How did you come up with that math?
I just did some calculations. So the brake pedal response, the pushback rate, the spring rate of it, and yeah, it's about 25.
Quick math.
Yeah, quick math. It was 25%. But now this is the real test. So far, everything was easy. Okay.
We'll be fine.
Yeah.
We'll be fine.
She did a really good job of like staying in between the lines and stuff. But going into Costco, things got a little tight, as well as the parking's gonna be interesting, I think.
Because you know where I'm gonna park in Costco?
Where?
In the back, away
the back?
from everyone. In the far corner.
Alright, we gotta figure out which entrance we want to go in, the less crowded entrance.
So not this one, but the next one?
Yes.
Okay.
Because, like I said, my truck rubs, and there's gonna be some tight turns.
This one?
Yeah, so we're gonna turn in this one right here. There you go. Good job.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Ah,
And we're just gonna go straight and park in the back.
you were so worried over nothing.
I wasn't really worried. I was just...
Why did the air conditioning
Oh.
shut off?
The AC just shut off? Oh, that sucks. I gotta reset that thing. You know it's just gonna blow hotter air.
I just need
But we're about to park, so we're good. That's not bad. Used to be like boom, boom. The shocks didn't do anything.
Okay,
All right,
here we go.
here we go.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
I'm so nervous.
Why?
Because
Don't be nervous.
I don't like that it rubs everything.
Not bad. It's not bad. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Where are you going?
Shut up!
Why could you not have just finished turning over that way?
My god. I want to park away from everyone. Okay?
All right.
Because I feel like if I do, then we're safe.
All right.
Okay. In the back region of everything.
Okay.
I'm a little bit on the line.
She's parked. Let's go outside and check her park job. Hey, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. You're in between the lines. Good job.
Told you.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Armando said, here, take a drink, but this is more like a soup container. That's a huge cup.
Yeah, 32 ounces.
Dang, son. Dude, I like the decal.
Yeah,
Digging
turned
it.
out Good.
That's what I want to do with my LOI. I want to do chrome decal on the side.
It's dirty.
You gonna wash it tonight?
Yeah, before I leave.
Going to Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach Truck Week, right? Yeah. When's the last time you polished these bad boys?
I want to say 4 months.
Dang. 4 months?
Yeah,
Oh man.
at least.
Looks like I'm gonna be
Not
here for a
longer.
while. Well, I'll do the best I can. I'll do the best I can, okay?
It's gonna be better than nothing.
Oh, that's true. It's gonna be better than this. Ah, yeah. Off-road, baby. Yeah, just right there. Right there is fine. Man, two of the sexiest girls ever. My girl and my girl. All right, you can park it. Well. All right, so today we're gonna be testing out this Renegade Products forged mini kit. Yeah, Armando's American Forces definitely need some love. This is the downside of having forged wheels. He said that he hasn't polished them in like 4 months, and we've had a lot of rain, so I don't know how much like good this video is going to capture, but it does have like water spots everywhere, and it is not as shiny as it should be. So we're going to go ahead and use Renegade product and get it all shiny. So here in the box we have a towel, the green clay, brown clay, and the purple clay, and the 3 different type. Oh, a little pad, and then little buffing wheels. So let's go ahead and get it started. All right, so literally all I've done so far is applied this onto the wheel, and that made a huge difference. Obviously we're gonna have to do an actual polishing on it. I just wanted to see just how much of a difference this would make on a dirty surface, but honestly that looks really good too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it down real quick, and then we can start polishing it. So we've run into a little pickle here. I let that, my girlfriend's, that's been at my girlfriend's house, and I totally forgot to bring some of the tools for it. And luckily the snap-on guy showed up and we were able to take it apart, but there's still a couple things missing, so won't be able to actually use the wheel today. Armando does have to leave in a couple hours. This was like a last-minute thing. So basically all we're going to use for this video, which it still makes a huge difference, is this liquid metal polish. We're just gonna have to do our best trying to clean this up with this. So let's see it. So the reflection looks pretty good. I mean, it's definitely not as good as I want it to be, but I mean, we definitely got that shine back from how dull it was. Just this little bottle made a huge difference. So I'm actually really interested to see how shiny this can be if we do it the proper way with actually using like the clay and the wheel and using a buffer. So when Armando comes back from Myrtle Beach, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and see if I can get my LLY wheels dirty on purpose, so that way we can do like a complete restoration polishing video. But my god, looking at his wheels and then mine just look tiny. But yeah, I mean, we definitely got a lot of this shine back. I was hoping to, like, if we looked inside, I was hoping that it would just be like a mirror, but that's gonna require a lot of cutting, in which I messed up and didn't bring the right tools. So all right, we'll do that next time.